हेलो एस्पिरेंट, दिस इज राकेश और आप देख रहे हैं स्पेशलाइज्ड ट्यूटोरियल। आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं SDLC सिस्टम डेवलपमेंट लाइफ साइकिल MCQ में। इससे रिलेटेड हमने और भी बहुत सारे वीडियो जो कि SDLC से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस का सीरीज में डाला हुआ है। सो आई होप आपने देखा होगा और उससे कुछ प्रिपरेशन की होगी। सो उसी सीरीज में हम आगे बढ़ते हैं और आज फिर उसमें आपको 20 क्वेश्चन का MCQ देने जा रहे हैं। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट MCQ। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, दिस फेज ऑफ SDLC इज नो एज ongoing phase. This phase of the SDLC is known as ongoing phase, where the system is periodically evaluated and updated as needed. Okay, so preliminary options are preliminary investigations, system design, system implementation, system maintenance. Okay, question I'm repeating again. This phase, in which phase? Okay, this phase of SDLC is known as ongoing phase, where the system is periodically evaluated and updated as needed. So preliminary investigations and system design, system implementation and system maintenance. So system maintenance, okay, system maintenance phase of SDLC is known as the ongoing phase and where the system is periodically evaluated and updated as needed. Now take a question number 2. So what basically includes the existing system, the proposed system flow chart, modular design of the system, print layout chart and the data file design. Okay, so options are feasibility report, function specification report, design specification report and turnover reference. Okay, so design specification report include the existing system, the proposed system, system flow chart, modular design and system print layout chart and data file design. So C, design specification report. Question number 3, after implementations of the system maintain could be done for, okay, minor changing of processing logics, yes, error detection during the processing, yes, and revision of format of the report, yes, all of the above, yes, all of the above. So question number 4, the final step of system analysis phase in SDLC is 2. Final step of system analysis of SDLC, actually you have to just choose one of the which one of the final stage of this. Okay, so because we already have just put these questions but with the different options. So here is the same question. Question number 4 is the final step of the system analysis phase in the SDLC. So gather data, write this system analysis report, propose change and analyze data. So write system analysis report. The final step of the system analysis phase of the SDLC is to write system analysis report. Question number 5, the different phase of development and testing of the system include what? Okay, development and testing individual program, yes, development and testing of the system module as a part of major subsystem, yes, development and testing of the major subsystem as a part of the proposed system, yes. Basically these all are 1, 2 and 3. So go with the D, all. Question number 6, the electronic data processing department has specific functions to be performed, which includes, okay, so is the force that you will have to be just choose which are the basically electronic data processing department is by the functions. Okay, so first statement basically system department and programming, yes, computer system operation, yes, control over data report and file, it's also, and data preparation. Basically these all are the, okay, so go with the D. So these all are the electric data processing department is by the function to be performed. Okay, now take a question number 7, of feasibility studies to use to determine the proposed system, resource requirement, cost and benefit, available and hardware and softwares, all of above. Okay, question number 8, okay, breaking the system modules into a small program, breaking a system module into small program and allocated this program to be member of the system development team is actually involved in what? System design phase, system development phase, system analysis phase, system implementation phase. So new is the designing system development phase. In this phase actually our project has just scattered in the different segment and a different module that divided with the various programmers, so they will be just programming, and after the programming it will be the compiled. Okay, so system development phase. Question number 9. What has responsibilities for all aspects of data processing, operation, research, organizations and method, system analysis and design, investment, etc. So options are management service director, data processing manager, system analyst and senior system analyst. So management service director basically has responsibility for all the aspect of data processing, operation, research, organization, method, system analysis and design, investment, etc, etc, etc. Okay, now taking a question number 10. During which phase of SDLC are user trained to use the new system? Okay, premium investigation, system implementation, system development and system maintenance. So you know if the implementation time we have to be just train the users, so system implementations. Okay, question number 11. Which of the following are the basic activities involved in the system development phase? Which of the following are the basic activities involved in the system development phase? Actually you have to be just read it all the phases, and after this you will have to give the response. Okay, so prepare the documentation for each one of the program. Yes, it's receiving the user data for accepting testing. Yes, getting the user sign off after the accepting testing, operating and testing software and hardware. It is not. Okay, so first, second and 3, so go with the C, first, second and 3. Now take a question number 12. What is responsible for the efficient running of the department and must be therefore to be a good administration as well as having some knowledge? Okay, so A, management service director, data processing management, system analyst and senior system analyst. So B, data processing manager actually responsible for the efficient running of the department and must therefore to be good administrator as well having the some knowledge. Now take a question number 13. Using the what approach? Using the what approach, a new system is tested is one part of the organization before being implemented in other. Direct, parallel, phase and pilot. So pilot. Okay, using the pilot approach, the new system is tested is one part of the organization before being implemented in other. So question number 14. For development of the proposed system, it is important that all possible support should be provided to the development team, and this support included availability of office space, relevant data and critical assistant and all of the above. So basically all of the above, okay, is the right answer. Office space, related data, critical assistants, these all are the availabilities. So for development of the proposed system, it is important that all the possible support should be provided to the development team, and this is support include availability of office space, relevant data and critical assistant also. Now take the question number 15. So assessing the effectiveness of the file maintenance procedure and suitabilities of file security procedures is the main duties of what? Management service director, data processing manager, system analyst and senior system analyst. So data processing manager is the right answer. So question number 16. During the system audit, the system performance is compared to. During the system audit, system performance is compared to similar system, newer system, the design specification and completing system. So the design specification, the secret design specification during a system audit, the system performance is completed to design specifications. Okay, so C is the right answer. Now take the next question. Question number 17. The final output of what phase, okay, is a fully developed and tested software system along with the complete documentation and testing results. So options are a system analysis, system design, system development, and system implementation. So system development, in the final output of the system development phase is fully developed and tested software system along with the complete documentation and testing result. Okay, so system development is the right answer. Now question number 18. System analysis are progressed to 3rd level during their career of begin the analyst become senior system analyst after they have gained the requisite experience and finally are appointed as, okay, analysis and senior system analysis after they have gained a requested experience and finally are appointed as main system analyst, director of system analyst, chief system analyst, and system analyst manager. So what is basically the chief system analyst? Okay, the system analyst in the progress to the 3 level during the what level? 3 level during their career and begin analyst become senior analyst, senior system analyst, and after this the chief system analyst is the right answer. Okay, now take a question number 19. State with the following statement are true or false. Okay, true or false. So which is true? A grid, now just listen carefully, a grid chart show the relationship between the input and output document. Yes, true. And decision table show the various rules of apply the decision where certain condition exist. Here this is also true. The both condition are true, so go with the A is the right answer. Now take a question number 20, the last question of this MCQ. The system implementation of the phase of SDLC include the following activities. Which activities? Okay, just you have to choose out. Okay, very carefully. So planning and implementations, yes. Prepare the schedule of implementation, it's also procedure of hardwares, yes, and installing the software also. Basically these all are, so go with the D. First, second, third and fourth, these all are the basically activities is implemented as the SDLC phases. So aspirants, I hope that you just watch our video very carefully and you have getted some benefits regarding the SDLC's chapters. So I think that it is very important for your exams and it is also getting from the various resources. So it is very important that you will be just make a notes and prepare yourself. Either you will be repeat our video and just mug up it. So I think that it is very good for you. So kindly just like, subscribe and share our videos, and thanks for watching this.